crab survey. We're here at Rehoboth Bay tonight, full moon night, surveying the horseshoe crabs. We're basically taking a statistical sample at this site, making two 1 meter samples out of every 8 meters of shoreline. We'll sample approximately 432 meters of shoreline tonight. We have some terrific volunteers with us tonight, some from Newark, Delaware, one from Ohio that is visiting in town, and two of us from Ocean View, Delaware. And
horseshoe crabs are an important part of the inland bay's ecosystem. Their eggs are eaten by shorebirds, and the crabs themselves are eaten by sea turtles and conch. Every year in May and June, horseshoe crabs spawn on inland bay beaches, and that's when the survey is conducted. We found that horseshoe crab spawning densities are as high on inland bay's beaches as they are on many Delaware Bay beaches.
And you see how big this female is right here? That female is probably close to 20 years old. Very unusual, and they like black boots. You see them on my black boots? So when we wake up tomorrow, I'll have like 6 pairs. They start out as little tiny larvae. They molt about 8 or 9 times. They start out, when they hatch out of the egg, they're little teeny, almost microscopic, but they look like a horseshoe crab with no tail. And then they molt about 8 or 9 times, I believe, and then...
And the water, like how far do they go out?
They live in the ocean.
Yeah, they go out in the ocean
So
too. They also live in the bays.
They live on the bottom of the ocean, basically? Or?
Yeah,
Yes,
they do.
and they hang out there all year long until breeding season,
Which is this one's bottom of?
which is in peak is May and June. They have 10 eyes. Another curious thing, they have 10 eyes.
They're light sensors.
Right, they have 2 here, they have some underneath, and they even have some on their tail.
The beaches of the inland bays are important breeding grounds for horseshoe crabs, and they're important sustaining the shorebirds that feed on these crabs. To protect populations of crabs and the birds, beaches need to be left in their natural state, without shoreline hardening such as riprap or bulkheading.